In today's video, I'm going to show you an example in silver as far as how I come up with my trade decisions. So I'm just going to take the most recent data and run all possible retracements, extensions, and projections. So I'm going to start with the retracements. Okay, we have two swings that we have to run the retracements on, and we do have a 618 that overlaps a 786. Then we're also going to take a look at an extension of this prior low to high swing and see where that comes in. So we're taking this low to this high. Okay, so the 1272 extension actually overlaps that other support. But let's see what else we have as far as price projections. That's where we're comparing swings in the same direction. We're going to compare this one to here, and then we're also going to take this swing and compare it to this swing. So let's take this prior high to low, project it from the high. Okay, that comes in 1753. And then we're also going to take 100% of the first swing down, high to low, project it from the high. That comes in just a little bit lower at 1747. So bottom line, I have a cluster here. Now, just because I feel like I have an important decision here doesn't mean that it's definitely going to hold. So the other thing that you need to do when you're looking at these trade setups is wait for a trigger that tells you that it's worth placing a bet. And basically that would mean on a lower time frame chart, if you were going to look at a swing trade against this area, number one, first it has to hold. Number two, you go down to the lower time frame chart, like the 15-minute chart, and what you watch for is the 834 EMA crossover back to the upside along with taking out a prior swing high. Okay, now I've done videos on that before, so they've been posted. They're also on my YouTube channel. But that's what I have to look at here. But guess what? If something doesn't hold a zone that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cycles, right? It also tells you something about the market. So if we don't end up holding that support, then we start voting for an extension to the downside. Okay, so if we can hold above here, great. Then we have reason to look for at least a bounce. But if we break underneath it, then that's where we're going to look for an extension on the downside instead.